Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday, February 28th, the last day of the month. So there is no 29, 30, or 31 in February. So tomorrow will be March 1st. So hopefully spring will be coming soon, although I think it's still supposed to be cold for about the next week. So let's hope for early spring to be happening sometime in March. For our announcements for today, if you are involved with the Young Rembrandts, that is happening after school. And then our lunch choices are soft beef tacos, barbecue rib sandwich, or a ham and cheese sandwich. And today for our pause, we have some students from first grade to talk about different things regarding their pause for today.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our pause, and we have some first grade students here to talk about them today.
Don't disturb other people. Don't cheat when you're doing that. Don't look at anybody's Chromebooks and don't touch the Chromebooks.
Thank you, guys. Those are all great things for being respectful and then also for working hard. So awesome job.
Thank you very much, guys. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everyone have a great last day here of February. Remember, make some great choices because they are your choices to make. So let's make them good ones.